Because today I was telling about how to fix Instagram friends story not showing. For that we need to go to Instagram account and here so I have my friends. So it was the story was not coming means so the one of the problem is we was not following them. So I was here I was following them. So I was typing on follow. So I was typing on profile and here I was following him. After following you can see the story. So sometimes uh, one of the major problem will be there. So here if I restrict this account means so I can't see their stories, and if I mute his stories and post means I can't see them. So for that we need to go to Instagram profile and click on three horizontal lines on top right side corner, and here we need to go to settings and privacy and just scroll down. Here you can see the muted accounts. So I was muted this account, so we need to unmute them, and I was unmute his total and just check it. Thank you.